Okay, this is Dylan from K72, and this is a real quick video, really just on running FreeRace Master for the very first time. The very first time you need to run the application, it's going to want to set up the database that it uses. That's where it stores all its information about the events and the participants and all that sort of stuff. It doesn't exist before you run the app for the first time. So running it the first time, it's going to set itself up a little bit and it's going to behave a little different than normal. So I'm just going to run you through this just quickly and show you what that looks like. So first of all, after you've installed, and if you haven't installed yet, see the first video in the series about that. After you've installed, you should see this FreeRace Master icon on the desktop here. Zoom in and have a closer look at that. So that's going to be on your desktop somewhere. And that's what you need to fire off the application with. Now you can right click and pin that to your taskbar or something like that if you want to. I usually just leave it on the desktop. So we're going to go ahead and double click on that to fire up the application. And this is the message that you get first time up. Missing database. Okay, the database does not appear to be responding. Okay, note says this is normal the first time you run the application, as the database needs to be set up. So if this is the first time you've run FreeRace Master, go ahead, click on OK, and it'll set up the database for you. Get everything organized in for the first run and continue. If it's not the first time you've run it, if you've run it before and you don't want to lose all your information, please click cancel at this point, because clicking OK here will wipe out any of your saved information, all your saved events and all that sort of stuff in the database. Okay, so real important to say, if you get this message first time you fire it up and you've already run it before and you don't want a new database, please click cancel, real important. Sometimes we get this message when we're running it on a slow laptop or something like that, so it just means that it hasn't spun up the database in time. I'm going to click cancel, but for you who is running it for the very first time, click OK, and I'll see you over in the third video in the series. This is Dylan, out. See you later.